Welcome back, everyone. So for this section, we'll be seeing how to import the pie chart. All right, so it's just like the other ones. Now pie chart is this guy here, as you can see, it's this guy. So you click on the pie chart and it comes, then you can make your adjustment as much as you want. Adjust it to the size you want. Okay, for this pie chart, I want to see the sales made by each country. So I'll bring my country, drag my country down to the legend. Okay, so we have our legends already waiting for us. Then drag the sales. Let's see how much they made. Drag the sales to the values. And we have this. So this is beautiful. So we can see from here that United States is the blue. All right. The United States is the blue. The Canada is this color here. France is this color. Germany is this color, and Mexico is this color. So when you bring your mouse to each sector, it will show you the country you're talking about and also the percentage it occupies on the pie chart. All right. So this is how to import your pie chart. You can go there. You can come here as well to format it. Take off the legends if you don't want it. I love legend. Let legend stand, but take off the details. All right. So this is simply how to import your pie chart. You can do a lot with this guy. You can come here to change the background. Change the background to yellow to your choice. Let's take it to something else. Make it white. Okay, it was white already. Let's make it blue. So there's a blue there, so let's make it black. Okay. Oh, I thought that was black. All right. So we can also decide to change come back to visual. You can decide to change the legend. So click on the legend here, and I want to change the text to a different color because it's clashing with the background. So I'll change the color to white. So it's now bold and visible. Okay. So we can also decide to change each of this sector, the color for each of the sector. All right. So that you come to the slice. Okay. So for United States, let's make it white. Okay. You see? So let's make this other color. What color do we give it now? Yellow. So they can be very visible. Let's make this. All right. So this is how to format your pie chart. So in the next class, we'll be seeing how to insert your donut chart. See you in the next class.